If I were in your shoes, I would want to know why underwriting is asking for so much documentation. And I've just recently, as I'm filming this, gone through 3 different mortgage processes on a couple rental properties and a new home that I'm building. And I thought to myself, why does underwriting need that? So I understand where you're coming from, but let me explain to you a little bit about where we are and where we've came from. We just gone through the mortgage meltdown, and our industry, the mortgage industry, is recalibrating. We're trying to figure out how do we originate the highest quality mortgage loan with the least number of defects so our industry doesn't take on hundreds of billions of dollars of losses like we did after the mortgage meltdown. Now the bad news is that means more questions, more T's to be crossed, and more I's to be dotted. And that's a little bit more work for you and I as we originate those loans. The good news is that currently the mortgage industry is delivering the highest quality with the least number of defect mortgages ever in the history of our country. And what that means is that real estate values going forward are likely not to have near the kind of default level that we had pre-mortgage meltdown and of course what happened with the blow up. So that's the good and the bad with all the documentation that's being requested. We hope that we explain the process to you well and that you understand why we're after what we're after, and we appreciate the opportunity to help you with your new home.